Welcome to Session 3. When a right triangle gives both legs and asks for the hypotenuse, the operation pattern is square, add, square root. Today you will solve whole number and irrational answers, round only when requested, and use bounds to catch unreasonable calculator results. Let the legs be 6 and 8. Write C equals the square root of 6 squared plus 8 squared. That becomes the square root of 36 plus 64. Then the square root of 100. The hypotenuse is 10. Always take the root at the end. 100 is c squared, not the side length. With legs 2 and 3, c equals the square root of 4 plus 9, or the square root of 13. 13 is not a perfect square, so the exact answer stays as root 13. As a decimal, it is about 3.6. Both forms are valid. Use the form the question requests. Suppose the legs are 7 and 10. Their squares add to 149. Since 12 squared is 144 and 13 squared is 169, root 149 lies between 12 and 13. A calculator gives about 12.2, which fits that bracket. A television screen is 36 inches wide and 27 inches tall. The diagonal is the hypotenuse. Square the dimensions. 1,296 plus 729 equals 2,025. The square root is 45, so the screen diagonal is 45 inches. A hypotenuse must be longer than either leg, but shorter than the sum of the legs. For legs 7 and 10, it must be greater than 10 and less than 17. The answer 12.2 passes. An answer of 8 or 20 would reveal a setup or calculator error before you submit it. A right triangle has legs 9 and 12. Square and add 81 plus 144 equals 225. Take the square root. The hypotenuse is 15. It is longer than 12 and shorter than 21, so it also passes the reasonableness check. You can now find a hypotenuse, preserve an exact radical, and round responsibly. Next, we reverse the process to find a missing leg. Build more confidence at www.bridgetoexam.com.